Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to CodeIt. This is me, Shreyas Anand from the studio, and today we are going to learn about the HTML. To begin with, let's learn about the basics of HTML. So first, let us see what is the meaning of the term HTML. So HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. So it's a little lengthy word, so let's break it word by word and then we would guess its meaning. So first word is hyper. So hyper means to show some aggression, like to edit it. So first word hyper, we understand it means some editing, means not normal text but some edited text. Like we can say that these are some edited design text, like different color text, the images we can say, the tables we can say, the links we can say, and there are many more examples of it. So all this belong to the edited text. So now let's go back to our previous HTML. Yeah, so the next two words are markup and then language. So markup means we are marking up something, like we are making something permanent. Now everyone knows what is the meaning of language. Language basically means a particular syntax which we follow to do some programming. Like in HTML, we also have to follow a particular syntax. So this is all what is meant by the words hypertext markup language. So in short, we can say HTML is a language which enables us to use edited text so that we can express ourselves better. So it was a pretty good intro. Now let's start to code. Yeah. So now to start with, first I will tell you how to create a program, how to write a simple HTML program. So first you need some editor where you have to write the program. So you can choose any editor. For simplicity, I will keep it Notepad. Yeah. So the one way for choosing Notepad is that it's not much heavy version and the size is also very low and it does not put much pressure to the computer system. If you have Notepad++, you can also use this. I am not using because I am comfortable in Notepad. So you can choose a editor of your type and then you can start with HTML. So the basics of HTML are tags. So what does these tags mean? Some labels which specify that what we are going to use. Like first in the beginning of a HTML web page, we have to first make a HTML tag and then we have to make a body tag. So HTML is for starting the web page and the body tag contains whatever there is going to be in the web page. And there is another thing that we have to close all these tags. Like if you don't close the body, then it will display an error because it is necessary to close the HTML and the body tags like this. You put a slash after the brackets in which you enclose the word HTML. So I would like to tell you by information that HTML also follows a rule like first open and then last close. Like the HTML is opened first but is closed last. So this is the basic HTML that I can say of. So before we head on to some text and some real output, first let me give you some more two important tags that we can use. So first one is the head tag, HEAD. and then it's I have to close the tag, and then yeah. So I will tell you about what is the head tag. So if you see any website, let me open a website. Like I go to my Chrome and I open, say, Wikipedia. So in this Wikipedia website, this is also written in HTML. So at first, at the top, what you can see is this. The words Wikipedia are written at the top here. So the text that is written here is put in the header tag. So head defines the small theme of a content. Like it's Wikipedia, so it's obvious that it's going to be Wikipedia here. So according to our need, we can change the header. So let me now go to my notepad, and then I would put a good name, like go ahead. You can put any name according to your need, and then after the header part is ready, I would now go to the body part, and then in the body I would first write some simple text. So I can say CodeIt is very cool, please like and subscribe. You can write the words according to your understanding. I write this. So now basically a simple HTML program is ready to work. So how to make it work? So the process is very simple. You have to first save it. First go to this file option and then save as. You can also go to save, and now you have to save it, which is simple. First you write any simple name, like I can say it as demo, and then you have to write with .html. You can write HTML or HTM, both works. And then you have to select your desktop here. If you don't select the desktop, then it would be transferred to your PC folder, which is not much accessible. So desktop is much accessible and it is the main screen, so let's now keep it to desktop, and then I hit the save and your project is saved. Now I will open this and you can see demo is written here. Now I will double click to open this, and then it will open in your default browser. So my default browser is Chrome, so it's opened here, and yeah, you could see it, right? And here comes the header. I have written the demo.html. Yeah, and this is the simple text that I have written. That was go ahead, CodeIt is very cool, and please subscribe it. So that's my recommendation to you. So this was simple and had some edited text to it. Edited text means some advancements. So yeah, I would define you the first tag for the advancement, that is the h1 tag. So it's basically the same as we write the HTML body and then close it. We have to do the same for the h1 and then close it. Now you have to save the project. So hit Ctrl+S or directly go to the files and then save. Now you have to open your browser. You can't see any advancement here, so I would just refresh the page. Yeah, now you can see this text has become very big and it also has become bold. So this is the h1 tag, and it means the header. So don't confuse it with the head tag and h1. H1 means a heading tag. Heading, which I can say if you want to write something big so that someone notices it, then you can enclose it with h1. Now there are I've used the h1, so I would use the second thing, that is h2. So you have to replace the h1 with h2. Hit Ctrl plus S, go to the Chrome, and then refresh the page. You can see it is in now h2. h2 means subheading, means it is a little small, and in the basic size, as you can see in the go ahead, the size of this is equal to h3. So h3 is the main is the basic text. So hit Ctrl plus S, I forgot it. So now refresh the page, and you see it's equal to, the size of this is equal to this one. Go ahead. So this was a pretty cool thing for the project. Now let me give you another tag, that is center. So the work of the center is to place all the tags, all the elements in the center. So first to start it, you start it in the usual way, center, and then you have to close it, center. Hit Ctrl plus S and see your web page, refresh it. Yeah, now you can see this text in the center. Yeah, so what about this text? Okay, so I forgot to tell you about one thing, that in the head, it's not only the head thing that makes your text go here. So the another thing that you have to put is the title. So in the head, there you have to put the title, so that this go head goes to the header section. So I will close the title now. Yeah, now I would hit Ctrl plus S here, refresh the page. Now as you can see, go ahead is here at our top of the screen. So you can include more text in it, some play with the h1, h2, h3, h4, 5, 6. There are total 6 types of h. Yeah, so I was saying that it was 6 types of h tags, like h1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let me show you the h6 tag. It would basically make the text very small. So many don't use this tag, but if you want to use it, it's your choice. If you want to make the text very small and look tiny, then you can use the h6 tag. Yeah, so I've removed the h6 because I don't like the small tags. So that was all for today. I know it's a little short, but yeah, if you have any problem with the concepts that I have explained, then please do comment me, and if there was anything missing, then please also comment it and let me know what was missing. I would try to improve myself. And thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like this, please subscribe the channel, hit the notifications button, and share the video to people you find it would be helpful to. So bye guys, have a nice day ahead and happy coding. Okay.